welcome to Fatimah Graphics. In the previous video I have taught you how to create gradients. But in this lecture I will tell you where you can find out the gradient library in Adobe Illustrator. So let's get started. Go to the Swatches panel and here you can see the Swatch library menu in the left corner. Now click on the drop down arrow and go to the gradients. And there are all the gradient colors, and there are metals, seasons, and much more. Check out all these one by one. I am selecting fruits and vegetables. You can adjust it anywhere on the artboard. And how to check these colors? Firstly, I am creating a rectangle and hold the Alt key and drag it. And now press Ctrl plus D. It will duplicate the shapes, and select all of these shapes, hold the Alt key and drag it, and press Ctrl plus D to duplicate all of these shapes. And now select any of the shape and apply the gradient color on it. You can see here are a lot of gradient colors in this panel, and you can apply one by one. Now go to the Swatch library menu again and select metal, and you can see here are gold and silver metal colors, and you can check out all of these colors. And I'm going again, and here is stone and bricks, and check out all of these one by one and apply in your shapes. I hope you will like this lecture. Keep watching for more videos. Thank you.